How do you make a great first impression? Hello everyone, I'm Sarah Brubbett. And given that when we meet people for the first time, whether it's in person or virtually, we do make an impression, we might just as well know how to make it a good one. In the virtual world, let's have our cameras on, which means getting camera angles and lighting correct. And when we join, smile. There may well be other people in the room having a conversation, so drop a note of hi in the chat initially so that you can reinforce it when there's a natural break in the discussion. In person, take the initiative. Again, smile, go up to people to initiate a handshake and be meaningfully authentic and warm in saying that it's great to meet them. These things matter, and there's no one watching this video who doesn't want to make a great first impression.